Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix Windows was unable to complete the format. We are trying to format drive. Pop-up error displays Windows was unable to complete the format. Type Disk Management in Windows search bar. Click Create and format hard disk partitions. Select your drive. Right-click, click New Simple Volume. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Click Finish. Right-click, click Format. Click Start. Click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.